Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Blackberry stock. Blackberry had a fantastic day today. It's June 2nd, 2021. It ended the day over 30% in the green, which is just phenomenal. Just like many of these so-called meme stocks, it's a terrible term, but or Reddit favorite stocks, whatever you want to call it, are just having these great runs, and Blackberry is no different. So when we look at the action today, we could see early in the day it was kind of consolidating, trying to find its price over here between about $12.50 and $13 before we did have a big spike in volume, and we were able to go above, surpass $14 and try to hit $14.50. Couldn't quite do it before then we just fell back down, and we're kind of hovering between $13.50 and $14.50 before another epic rise over and above $16.50 before again just falling back down, and then kind of towards the end of the day just hovering between about $14.75 and $15.40 or so. But a great day. It would have been more ideal if we could have maybe had some of this epic rise earlier in the day and then spent more of the afternoon consolidating. But, I mean, that's only if we really want to complain. It was still great. We still did get some consolidation towards the end of the day, and we're kind of staying in this 14.75 to 15.25 channel, which if we could just hold on to that channel and consolidate in there, that'll be great. I mean, tomorrow we could have another big run-up, or as I've said in some other videos, I think Thursday and Friday, I wouldn't be surprised to see some selling pressure, see some additional short pressure, because of course the big money doesn't want the price to go parabolic for the market close on Friday, because they want those options to not expire in the money and not have to pay up on those options, so on the calls. So if we could just stay in this range, that would be great. But I mean, Blackberry is almost certainly going to follow these other stocks, AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop, etc. So they will almost certainly kind of move together, and we'll see how it goes. Because another thing that's drawing some attention is whether or not Blackberry is now going to be in the midst of a short squeeze. And, that would be great if it happened and could drive the price up somewhat. But, Blackberry's right now, it doesn't have a tremendous short interest. It does have 9% of shares outstanding, 10% of the float is short, but a lot of this upward movement is purely just the Reddit crowd, the retail investor, the little, the retail just piling into the stock like with these other meme stocks. So tomorrow I'll be seeing if it could hover in that range, the 14.75 to 15.25, then consolidate. That'll be great. Or else, if all of these stocks, they're all going to move in one direction or another. But so I'll be looking for probably some support in that area, but not counting on it. But either way, it's going to be almost certainly a very green week at this point. We'll see what happens come tomorrow, come Friday. But let me know what you're doing with your shares of Blackberry, if you're holding, if you sold, if you're buying more, where do you think it's going to go? Always like to hear what everyone else is doing with their shares. So hopefully it'll continue going up, and we'll touch base then.